you hold me through the shakes, darling, it's fine if you couldn't run. First light of Preston sun, right now I'm feeling. Still in town, when my better days roll round, you'll hit this ground and dance like you are bleeding. This city is so loud, and this hotel kicked me out. Do you think that she is proud of looking down? The world got so confusing, I'm a tool for cheap amusement. They all help me, I'm here from Tennessee. Hold me through the shakes, though it's more than I can take. There ain't no choice of damaged boys like me. Hold me through the shakes, though it's more than you can take. And when you wake, you'll still be my darling. When you wake, you'll still be my darling. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for all you Bryan fans out there. New song from him called Darling, okay? Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan. So, let's get through it. So, obviously the intro, he plays harmonica over the top of the guitar, which obviously I can't do for you, so I just showed you the backing chords to the intro, okay? So here we go, it's G to C to G to start with. Okay, G to C to G, then we play an E minor, then a C, then back to G. So it's G, C, G, E minor, C, G. If you like to get a bit fancy with it, there's a little hammer on he puts on in there as well on the C chord. So it's G, C, G, E minor, C, hammer, G. If you want to put that in, when you've hit the C chord, just strum the C chord once and then play the open 4th string, hammer it up to the 2nd fret of the 4th string with that 2nd finger, and play the open 3rd, G string, open 3rd G string, and then back to the G. So slowly, if you want to put a hammer in. And he goes into the first verse. Obviously he does that 2 or 3 times with his harmonica, and then he goes into the first verse, okay? And the chords for the verses are exactly the same as for the intro, okay? Several times round. So I'll do the first verse after the intro. I'll do the intro once and then we'll do the verse, okay? Won't you hold me through the shakes, darling? It's fine if you couldn't run. Our first light of Preston sun, right now I'm feeling. If you're still in town, when my data rolls around, just beat this ground and dance like 2 hearts bleeding. This high city is so loud, and the hotel kicked me out. Do you think that you're still proud of looking down? This world got so confusing, I'm a tool for cheap amusement. They all help me and I'm here from Tennessee. Hold me through the shakes, though it's more than I can take. Okay, right, now we're off into the chorus, okay? So, up to Tennessee is the verse, and that is the same for all the verses, okay? Now the chorus, so coming out of Tennessee at the end of the first verse, Tennessee. Hold me through the shakes is C, okay? Shakes, although it's G, more than I can take. E minor, and there ain't no choice. Now, what he does on the chorus is, I've watching him on the chorus, what he does, after the E minor, what he does, he just puts one of his fingers, I think the 2nd finger, up to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string. And just that finger, 2nd fret, bottom E string, and plays the bottom thick strings, the bottom E string, 5th string, 4th string, possibly the 3rd string. But mainly the bottom 3 strings, the 6th string, 5th string and 4th string. It's just a passing chord. It's just, and then goes to the G. So hold me through the shakes until it's more than I can take. There ain't no choice for damaged boys like me. Okay, just the once. Damaged boys like me. And then the G on boys. Okay, or like me. Sorry. Damaged boys like me is G. And then basically it repeats. Hold me through the C. Shakes. Always choking like and takes. But this time, instead of doing that bottom E string on the 2nd fret, he plays a D chord. Okay? When you wake, you'll still be my darling. Okay? So from the beginning of this first chorus, before it comes out of Tennessee, hold me through the shakes, though it's more than I can take. There ain't no choice for damaged boys like me. Hold me through the shakes, though it's more than I can take. And when you wake, you'll still be my darling. Now on the first verse, I don't know if it's a mistake or whether he does this all the time, but the last line, when he repeats that last line, he goes, when you wake, you still be my darling. He goes to a C and stops, basically. When you wake, you'll still be my G back to G, darling. That only happens, I think, on the first verse, okay? Or first chorus, sorry, first chorus. So, going for this first chorus again, hold me through the shakes, it's more than I can take. There ain't no place for damaged boys like me. Hold me through the shakes, it's more than I can take. And when you wake, there'll still be my darling. When you wake, you'll still be my darling. Then he does the intro again and goes into the 2nd verse. It plays exactly the same as the first verse, but the 2nd chorus onwards are slightly different. The 2nd chorus is the same until you get to the very last line, where you come out of that E minor, when you wake, you D, still be my darling. He just repeats that, E minor, when you wake, you still be my darling. So it's 2 lots of E minor, D, G. On the 2nd chorus onwards, okay? On the 1st chorus, he just goes to the C, stops on the C, when you wake you still be my darling. But 2nd chorus onwards, it's when you wake you still be my darling. And when you wake you still be my darling. Okay? So there you have it, boys and girls. Play along with it and I'm sure you'll get it. Thanks very much for listening and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.